Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna cover the topic which is the most asked question over the internet and YouTube: how to add YouTube app on Mac operating system. So this video is for MacBook specific users. So let's get started and let you know how easy is it. So the first thing you should do, press Command and Spacebar, and you will get this spotlight search on your screen. Type here Safari and bring up the Safari browser on your computer screen. Once it's open, on the URL address bar type youtube.com. It will navigate to the website YouTube. So it doesn't mean that this is done now. We are still left. So the next step is you need to just go and hover to the file menu, and if you see that there's an option add to dock, just click on it and it will be added into the dock. So now we have an option. We can rename here if you wanted to. This is the URL, no need to change anything. And this, the moment I will click on add button, it will be added somewhere in the dock down below. So let's go, click add, and here you go. You can see here YouTube app. So now I'm just going to close the Safari browser to demonstrate you, and I'm going to click on this YouTube app icon which we just created. Once you click on it, you will see it will open here as a YouTube app. You can just go ahead and just search anything and just use it as a YouTube app on your Mac computer. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.